Hello students and good morning everybody. Today we are discuss about the substitution reactions, that is electrophilic or nucleophilic. There is two type of substitution reactions. In a previous video we are discuss about the preparation of alkyl halides from hydrocarbons and halogen exchange method. It is also a preparation of alkyl halides by electrophilic or nucleophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic means electron, philic means loving. That is, electron loving species are known as electrophile. Electron loving species are known as electrophile. Electron deficient electrophiles are electron deficient. That means they have less number of electrons in their octets. They have less number of electrons, so these are known as electron deficient. Octet incompleted, whose octet is incompleted because these are electron deficient, which have less electrons, so the octet of that species is incomplete. For example, H positive ion, CH3 positive ion, C positive O, or N positive O2, that is NO2 N positive. That means the positive species are known as electrophiles. By the substitution of these positive species, that reaction is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. The substitution of electrophiles is known as electrophilic reaction. In that video, we are discuss about only the electrophilic substitution reactions. The another one substitution reaction, that is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleo means nucleus, philic means loving. Nucleus loving species are known as nucleophiles. These are electron rich species. They have more electrons, so these are electron rich species whose octet is completed because they have sufficient electrons, so the octet of these species are completed. For example, OH negative, Cl, Cn negative, Cl negative, or Br negative. The substitution of that negative charged species is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. The substitution of positive charged species is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. Today we are discuss about the electrophilic substitution reaction, that means the substitution of positively charged species. That is the halogenation of benzene or benzene derivatives. Halogenation of benzene or benzene derivatives. Aryl chlorides or aryl bromides prepared by halogenation of toluene in presence of Lewis acid as a catalyst, like FeCl3 anhydrous aluminum chloride. In that halogenation, the Lewis acid as like FeCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3 is taken as a catalyst. See here, there is an example of toluene. Bromination of toluene, that is the addition of bromine in toluene in presence of Fe, that is the Lewis acid electron acceptor species. That reaction taken in dark, there is no sunlight required. That is, that reaction takes place in dark. We get two types of products or mixture of product. One is orthobromotoluene and another one is parabromotoluene. Two type of substitution is takes place, or two type of products we get here, that is ortho and parabromotoluene. As like that, reactions are known as electrophilic reactions. In that reaction, the replacement of that hydrogen atom of that benzene ring by a bromine, we get a orthobromotoluene, and next one as like that, the para position hydrogen atom is replaced by that bromine, then we get parabromotoluene. Next reaction is Sandmer's reaction. Aryl halides prepared by replacement of diazonium salt, that means N2 salt, diazonium salt, which is heated with CuCl oblique or HCl gives chlorobenzene. See here, there is a general reaction, that is the benzene diazonium salt. The benzene diazonium salt is prepared from aniline. The benzene diazonium salt is prepared from aniline. When aniline react with sodium nitrate in presence of a HX, that means halo acids, in presence of 273 to 278 Kelvin, we get benzene diazonium salt. That benzene diazonium salt, when treated with CuCl, HCl, we get aryl halides with liberation of nitrogen gas. That means that diazonium salt is replaced by a halogen atom and we get aryl halides. It is the preparation of aryl halides. In a previous video we are prepared alkyl halides, and in that video we are preparing the aryl halides, that is halogenation of benzene or benzene derivatives, and it is a Sandmer's reaction. In that reaction we are preparing the aryl halides. See here the example, that is benzene diazonium chloride, that is N2Cl. In presence of CuCl, HCl, we get benzene chloride plus the byproduct nitrogen gas. In place of if you want to prepare benzyl bromide, then you must take benzyl diazonium bromide with CuBr. Then we get benzyl bromide. As like that, we can prepare aryl halides by a electrophilic substitution reactions. In the next reaction, in a previous reaction, we are studying about the preparation of alkyl halides. There is the various methods of alkyl halides, preparation of alkyl halides, and in that reaction we are preparing the aryl halides. In the next video we are discuss about the physical properties of halogen derivatives. Okay, thank you.